Hi all, in this video I will show you how to create and use waivers in IC Validator using PYDB utility. You can create waivers either using IC Validator VUE tool or PYDB utility. You can perform all the operations done in IC Validator VUE tool like creating waivers, importing them for subsequent IC Validator runs, and appending them with new waivers using PYDB utility. First step is to create waivers. After running IC Validator, observe the layout errors file topcellname.layout_errors. Let's classify r.met6.s3 with 21 violations as wave. In order to do this, first you need to create a classification file classify1.csv in standard comma delimited format specifying the violation with rule name and rule comment to classify all errors under this violation as wave. Now, you can classify the specified errors as wave by using the PYDB_report utility with classification file classify1.csv as input. You also need to mention the PYDB name, which is PYDB_topcellname, and the path where PYDB is present, which is under run_details directory. Note that -classify is specified to classify errors. Execute this command line. After successful run, a summary of errors classified as waivers and the overall time taken to classify are printed. The PYDB_report utility writes a log file pydbreport.log to the current working directory, which contains the same information displayed on screen. You can also get a report of the waivers created in the PYDB database at any time for the current run using PYDB_report utility as shown. Don't forget to mention the PYDB name and path where the errors were classified. Please include -show_classified along with an output file name top.txt to generate a report of classified errors. Execute this command line. The generated report file top.txt contains detailed list of waivers created. To use this classification data in a subsequent IC Validator run, you have to export the classified data. That is, you have to create a CPYDB classified PYDB database. You can export the classified data using PYDB_export utility in the given path by executing the following. Here, the PYDB name and path which has the classified errors data are included. Specify name of the output classified database as test1 and set the path respectively. Note that -create is used to export the classified data and to create a new CPYDB or overwrite an existing CPYDB database. You will see the classified database test1 exported successfully in the path specified. This process will also generate a PYDB export.log file. This file shows the same information displayed on screen like if the classified error data is exported successfully or not. To use the exported classified database consisting of waivers in various IC Validator runs, you need to include error_options function with match_errors argument to specify the error classification database to be imported for the run in the run set as shown. Rerun IC Validator with all command line options as used for a regular DRC flow. After successful run, you will see that the error summary section of topcellname.layout_errors file shows the errors you specified as waivers. Finally, you can also update the existing classified database by appending additional waivers. Please note that you need to create a new classification file classified2.csv to create new waivers. Classify some more DRC errors like r.metal1.w as wave using PYDB underscore report utility. Invoke PYDB underscore report utility to create new waivers specified in classified2.csv file. Now, you need to merge the changes into the existing C PYDB using PYDB underscore export utility, inputting the name and path of both existing C PYDB along with its corresponding PYDB. Here, dash merge is specified to append the new waivers with existing one. Execute this command line to merge new waivers. After running IC validator once again, you will see that the summary section of topcellname.layout underscore errors file shows both the previous waivers and the new ones added. So this is how you create and use waivers in IC validator using PYDB utility. Thank you.